Have you ever walked into a room filled with piles of laundry, unsorted mail, and scattered objects, and felt an immediate weight on your chest? It's not just you. There is a profound biological reason why physical clutter leads to mental chaos. Our homes are not just shelters, they are reflections of our inner state. When our environment is in disarray, our minds struggle to find rest. Today, we explore why organizing your home is one of the most effective ways to rest your soul.
The science is clear. Clutter is a thief of focus. When your visual field is crowded with unnecessary items, your brain is constantly processing information that doesn't need to be there. This leads to cognitive overload. Every stray paper or unwashed dish is a signal to your brain that there is unfinished business. This persistent background noise keeps your cortisol levels, the stress hormone, elevated, making it nearly impossible to truly relax, even when you're just sitting on the couch.
But the act of decluttering is more than just a chore. It is a ritual of reclamation. When you pick up an object and decide its fate, whether to keep it, donate it, or discard it, you are exercising agency. In a world where so much is outside of our control, the space within our four walls is something we can govern. This sense of control is a powerful antidote to anxiety. By tidying your space, you are essentially telling yourself, I am in charge of my environment, and I am choosing peace. There is also a deep sense of mindfulness found in the process. Folding clothes, sorting books, or clearing a countertop requires a gentle, rhythmic focus. It pulls you out of the worries of the future and the regrets of the past, anchoring you in the present moment. Each item put away is a small victory for clarity. As the physical surfaces of your home become clear, you'll often find that the surfaces of your mind follow suit.
An organized home also paves the way for creativity and rest. It's hard to dream or think deeply when you're tripping over reminders of daily chores. A clean room provides the blank canvas your imagination needs to breathe. When you finally sit down in a space that feels harmonious, your nervous system can finally shift from alert mode to rest mode. You aren't looking for what needs to be fixed. You are simply existing in the beauty of what is. So, start small. You don't need to transform your entire house in a day. Clear one drawer. Organize one shelf. Feel the immediate shift in the air as that small corner of the world finds its order. Remember, you aren't just cleaning a room, you are creating a sanctuary. You are giving your mind the permission it needs to stop searching, stop worrying, and finally, just be at peace. Your home is the gateway to your tranquility. Treat it with care, and it will return the favor by soothing your soul.